Good morning, everyone. So, we'll continue with the chapter Flying Together. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. So, this is what it's talking about the creeper. The creeper, no, it became stronger as it grew bigger. It became stronger and stronger. It became like a thick rope, strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. One morning, when the geese, no, they had gone in search for food in the forest, there came a hunter in the forest. So this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, when he saw the tree, no, he said to himself, okay, this is the place where the wild geese live. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. He said that when they will come back in the evening, no, I will catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. The hunter, no, it climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper, and what the creeper, it acted like a ladder for the hunter. The creeper, no, it became like a ladder. See, you can see in the picture. It climbed. It became it's very strong, so it can bear the weight of a man. No, okay. He got to the top and the hunter, it got to the top, spread his net there. Then he spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. He spread his net on the tree and he came down. Okay, it was a trap. He set a trap to catch the geese. In the evening, the geese returned home. Then in the evening, when the geese returned home, they did not notice the net. They did not notice that there was a net on the tree. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. As they flew into the tree, they got trapped. Okay, they got caught in the net. They struggled hard to get out but could not. They struggled very hard to get out of that net, but they could not. They were all caught in that net. Help, help, cried the geese. Now the geese, no, they cried, okay, please help us, please help us. We are caught in the hunter's net. So we are caught in the hunter's net. So please help us. Oh, what shall we do? Now what shall we do? We are caught. Now the hunter will take us and he'll kill all of us. They were all crying. Don't make a fuss. Now the old bird said the wise old bird. The wise old bird said, don't make a fuss now. Don't cry and don't make noise and all. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now the wise old bird said that very long ago I had already informed you, I had already warned you that please kill the creeper, but you did not pay attention to what I was saying. Now see what has happened. Now you see what has happened. You all are caught in the trap. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. Now what he said, that tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and he will kill all of us. We are foolish with the birds. Now the bird said that we are foolish. Foolish means that who does not listen to someone, stupid person who does not listen to someone. Okay, we were very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Now the geese said that we are very sorry that we did not listen to you. Now you please help us. What should we do to come out of this trap? Then listen carefully. He said, then listen very carefully to me. Dhyan se. Carefully means to dhyan se sunna. Listen carefully. Replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Pretend मतलब किसी चीज को करने का नाटक करना. Okay, so what he said, that tomorrow we will pretend to be dead, means we'll act that we are already dead. Just lie still, means act as you are dead and don't move and lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. Now the hunter don't want dead birds. He wanted the birds who were alive. He didn't wanted dead birds. He will throw us to the ground, and when he will see that the birds are dead, so he will one by one throw all the dead birds on the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. Then it will become very easy for him to climb down. Collect the dead birds and take them home. Then what he will do, he will come down, he will collect the dead birds and he will take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. Then what he said, then as the last one of us is been thrown down on the ground, we will all quickly fly away. In the morning, The hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese and net. The next morning, the hunter came and he looked at the net and the geese. They are all dead. He muttered to himself. He spoke to himself that they are all dead in a very slow tone. No, he spoke to himself that they are all dead. He threw them out of the net one by one. So he took out one by one the geese and from the net and he threw them on the ground. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. See, now they paid attention to the old bird, and what they did, as they were thrown down, they stayed still. They did not move because all the bird had to be thrown down, then only they could fly. So they stayed down till the last one had been thrown. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. And as the last bird was thrown on the ground, they got up very quickly and they flapped their wings and they flew away. Flap means to move their wings up and down to fly. Okay. So then what happened? They flew away. All the birds very quickly flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. The hunter was surprised that what happened just now. The birds were dead and how now they are flying. Means they were acting to be dead. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. And standing on the top of the tree, he saw all the geese flying away. See how they saved their life. Even if you are in any problem, if your elders give you any advice, just pay attention to them. Okay, just don't ignore what they are saying. Pay attention, always pay attention to your elders. They will always help you to come out of any problem. Okay, so this is what it is taught in this chapter, that we should always listen to our elders.